Even in my dreams, I sneeze.
This 12-year-old girl suddenly started sneezing and couldn't stop.
I was walking out of a clarinet lesson. All of a sudden, it kind of started in just like little spurts.
Caitlin Thornley first thought it was just allergies, but the sneezing kept coming, up to 20 times a minute, nearly 12,000 times a day. Sometimes she couldn't even finish a sentence without sneezing again.
I want nothing more than for this to end. I just want it to be gone.
Strangely, the only thing that seemed to help was music. When she listened to it, her sneezing would slow down. Doctors tested her for allergies and infections, but they couldn't figure out what was causing it.
She had kind of a funny feeling that she describes in her nose, and that piece of her history is very common for tics.